In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at importing a form template into an eFORMz project file. First, we're going to need to create a PCL print file, or PRN, of our template. And to do that, we're going to open up our control panel and we're going to add a printer. So for this, on Windows 7, that'll be View Devices and Printers. Select Add a Printer, and we're going to add a local printer, and the Add Printer dialog will display. And from the Use an Existing Port dialog, we're going to select File, Print to File, and we'll go ahead and select Next. From the manufacturer list, we're going to select HP, and then we're going to select the HP LaserJet 5200L series PCL5 as the model type, and we'll go ahead and select Next. Printer name, here we're going to type eFORMz printer or something like that, just to distinguish that it is the print to file eFORMz printer. And we'll go ahead and select Next, and it will begin installing the printer. We don't need to share this printer, so we'll go ahead and select Next. You can set it as the default printer or not, and then go ahead and select Finish. So once your eFORMz printer is installed, you're going to right-click it and select Printer Properties. And we're going to go ahead and select the Advanced tab, and we'll go ahead and select Printing Defaults. And from that, we're going to go ahead and select the Advanced tab, and we want to make sure that the print optimizations are disabled. We also want to make sure that the Print All Text is Black is disabled. The Send True Type as Bitmat, we want to enable that, and then making sure that the graphics mode says Send Graphics as Raster. We'll go ahead and select Apply, and OK, and OK again. We have successfully installed a printer that will create PCL print files. Once we have our printer installed, the next step is creating the PRN file. And to do that, we have our template here, our form template on the screen, as you can see. And what we're going to do is we're just going to select File and Print. And from the printer menu, we're going to select our eFORMz printer that we created earlier, and we're going to simply select Print. It's going to ask us where we want to save this document, and we'll go ahead and save it in the alternative form template creation folder, and we'll give it a name, just say sample, and we'll go ahead and select OK. And we've successfully created a PRN file. Once we have created our PRN file, we're going to load it into our eFORMz project by right-clicking the page and selecting Add Form from File. And then we're going to find it in our folder and select it and select Open. And then we will just go ahead and select OK for the Form Properties General Defaults. To display it, you would right-click the project and select Display Forms and Data.